to my YouTube channel with another video. So guys, AI tools are improving fast, but creating a realistic talking avatar with the accurate lip signing is still one of the hardest thing to get right. In this video, I'm talking closer look at the Domo AI, focusing mainly on its avatar and features and briefly touching on Nano, Banana and other spotting tools. First of all guys, here is the platform. What is Domo AI? So guys, Domo is a browser-based AI platform designed for image to video, video to video and AI avatar creation. It allows creators to turn image or clips into the animated videos without complex timelines, keyframes and manual animation work. And here is a more thing guys. So guys, their website is also in the links, the description, links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. First of all guys, here is our platform. What is Domo AI? Basically, so guys, the core feature I want to focus on is talking avatar with the lip signing, which one of the Domo AI strongest tool guys. This is the talking avatar and how it's work in the practice. You start uploading a single image. This could be portrait, character illustration or AI generated face. Then you can also voice input, and either you can also uploading an audio file and using it to the text to speech here. Just like that, here's a text to speech. Also here you can also do this thing here, and you can also check out, then you can also Domo AI automatically analyze the audio and generates the accurate mouth movement, facial motion and suitable expression at much speeds match the speech. And what makes this feature stood out is a lip signing timing which feels natural and well aligned. The face stays consistent and stable, and without distortion, movements don't feel exaggerated or robotic. And this means avatar looks like it's actually speaking rather than just opening and closing it in the mouth. Practice use cases. So guys, basically AI presenters for the YouTube or explainer videos, education or tutorial content, and brand spokesperson and style videos, multi-language videos without recording yourself. Instead of filming on the camera every time, you can also reuse the same avatar and simply you can also create it on this platform and simply change the voice, and which saves the time and keep content consistent. So guys, that was the main features of the Domo AI talking features, just like when an avatar is talking here, and you can also check out this video is also available there. And after that, the second most one is the image to video transfer. This is the second one of the best. They also have V2.41, which is also more faster. They also have a lot of things which are basically faster than everything. So Domo AI is also support image to video and video to video transformation, where the static image and short clips are animated into the style videos, and you can also check them, which I have already generated. And this feature have bring characters to the life, making them move, react and perform simple action depending on the selected templates. And this works especially well known combined with the talking avatar creation. After that guys, this is main features of the Domo AI's Nano Banana features. So guys, Nano Banana is a more creative and experiment feature inside Domo AI. It focuses on the style, views and artistic transformation, which can be useful for short-term content and creative experimentation. It's nice addition, but talking avatar features remains the highlights of the platform. And that was everything about this platform I was talking about. And they also have their premium plans. You can also check them out, and you can also visit them out. All our plans are also available there. You can also go and check these things here, and we are going to check out their plans, and you can also review their plans here. And they also have some different type of the prices with different of the just like you say the coins, just like you say creators, and you can also check them out. The links are in the description to check the Domo AI. Everything is there in front of you. Choose the plan that fits you. They also have 6.99, they have 19.59, 48.99. Everything is there. They also have their pro plan, standard, basic, everyone is there. You can also check them out. The FAQs are also here. So guys, basically Domo AI works perfectly for everything. They also have a lot of things on this platform. Domo AI keeps workflow simple and delivering the stable result. The talking avatar feature is particularly feels practical and well optimized, especially for creators who want consistent AI characters without technical complexity. And they also have a lot of features. If you're interested in creating AI avatar with a realistic lip signing, Domo AI is a worth exploring. And thanks for the video. I will see you in the next video. You can also check out the platform link in the description. I will see you in the next video. So have a great day. Please keep safe and stay happy.